Welcome home! Healthy, organic, and easy by Michelle. Today we are making Welcome Home's healthy frozen yogurt, Popsicles ice cream recipes. I'm going to show you how to make frozen yogurt popsicles using healthy or organic ingredients and no sugar. There are 3 different flavors: strawberry, blueberry, and mango citrus. Let's make it! These are organic strawberries, which I cleaned with vinegar. Put strawberries into a Ziploc bag and freeze for 6 hours. This is an organic banana. Slices and put into a Ziploc bag and freeze for 6 hours. Put frozen strawberries and banana in a blender. I'm going to use organic grass-fed plain yogurt. Add 1 cup of yogurt. This is a sugar-free homemade rice syrup. I have another video that shows where you can buy rice syrup with low sugar levels. Please check it out. Add 3 tablespoons of rice syrup and add 2 large pieces of ice. But you can use 8 regular ice cubes instead. After blending, mix well with a spoon. Today's welcome home tip. I will show you an easy way to put the mix into the popsicle mold so it doesn't get messy. Put in a Ziploc bag and cut the bag at the corner. So easy to pour into popsicle mold. Put popsicle stick into mold and freeze for more than 3 hours. These are organic blueberries, which I cleaned with vinegar. And this is an organic banana. Put 1 cup of blueberries and banana slices into separate Ziploc bags and freeze for 6 hours. Put frozen banana and blueberries in a blender. Add 1 cup of organic plain yogurt and add ice. Add 3 tablespoons of rice syrup and blend well. After blending, mix really well with a spoon and put it in a Ziploc bag. Cut the bag at the corner and pour into popsicle mold. Put popsicle stick into mold and freeze for more than 3 hours. This is a sugar-free liquid drink mix that has a lot of vitamin A and C, which is good for your immune system as well as eye and skin health. It is mango citrus flavor. You can also buy 2 other flavors, strawberry kiwi and raspberry. Add ice and add a drink mix. Add 1 cup of organic plain yogurt and blend well. Wow, so pretty color. I use ice cubes instead of water because I like crunchy bites inside of the popsicles, and it's also easier to bite. These are really healthy and delicious treats that the kids will love. Hope you enjoy them. Crunchy. Tastes really good.